Ko te katoa ngā mai hoki mai ki Pukiro Pauho.
We've got another awesome week of learning and activities happening around our school.
What's up this week, we're heading back into the Pānui o Marama Reorua rotations.
Room 10 have been taking part in Think It, Shoot It, Move It with Whai Wai, where they've been learning all about filming, interviewing and editing.
This week, some of the tauira even had a chance to help create content for Pukiro Pauho. They went around the Pānui o Marama Reorua classes interviewing kaiako and students about the different rotations they've been taking part in.
Advisory, what are you guys doing in the rotations?
Kiriana is and how it's unique to New Zealand.
What days do you guys learn?
Mondays and Wednesday afternoons.
What's your favorite subject about rotation?
I like meeting all the other classes and having the other kids in here with me.
Thank you.
Okay.
Here, how old are you? 10. What subject are you learning about? Think it, shoot it, move it. Is it cool? Yeah. What's the cool thing about it? We get to have some time with our friends and think about what we're doing. Okay. Is it on?
Yes.
What subject are you learning about?
Electricity.
Is it cool? Are you finished it? How long has it taken you?
Not too long.
Do you wait.
Is it fun?
Kamo Tibehi, maybe we've got some future filmmakers and reporters in the making.
It's awesome seeing tauira learning creative and digital skills while working together as a team.
Next up, every Thursday, a group of our tauira head along to the road to Vegas boxing.
They learn new boxing skills, build fitness and develop discipline, focus and confidence.
Yeah.
Alright, so before we get into us today, again, just some basic things. Remember, throughout the session, make sure we're respecting each other, getting us coaches, and have a good day. Good session. Alright.
Kids from the schoolyard, all on one block. From the hallway to the ring, we step up, we step in. Heartbeat up, eyes out, let the training begin. Vegas boxing gym, we going, we going. Vegas boxing gym, young and loud, let it spin. Hands up, stay sharp, move fast, don't slip, we get fit. Vegas boxing gym, get fit, get fit. Coach says we're clean, keep your chin tucked tight. 1, 2, slide back, explode to the right. Drip of sweat on the mat, shoelaces tied up tight. Every rep feels steel, every round feels right. Classmates in the mirror, grinning through the grind. No cap, we level up, one punch at a time. From the hallway to the ring, we step up, we step in. Heart rate up, eyes locked, let the trainer begin. Vegas boxing gym, we going, we going. Vegas boxing gym, young and loud, let it spin. Hands up, stay sharp, move fast, don't slip, we get fit. Vegas boxing gym, we get fit, we get fit. Not just muscles, it's the mind. Show up early every time. Stand tall, find your pace. School kids hungry, own that space.
This person I've seen working really hard today, lots of sweat on this person's face, and it goes to, what's your name, boy? Whānau. Alright, that's what we like to see, work like that. Bang, bang. Heavyweight championship as well, right? Apart from that, I'll see you guys next week.
Are a great way for our tauira to stay active while trying something different in a positive environment.
Ka pai to everyone involved. Awesome effort and energy to all of our tauira.
That's all for this week's edition of Pukero Paho.
A big mihi to everyone who featured in today's stories and to all of you who continue to support our kura. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel so our whānau can stay connected with everything happening here at Rotoro Primary. Mauri ora ka pai tō koutou Wiki, and we'll see you next time on Pukero Paho.